folks, Jasmine Naruna here from Royal LePage. Today we are going to take a look at 20 Idle Road, which is in Brampton Credit Valley area, not very far from James Potter and I would say Williams Parkway, like Mississauga Road. And this is just shy of 3,400 square feet, double car garage, and it is on a 42-foot lot. It has a legal basement, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 washrooms upstairs, and in the legal basement they have two beds with 1.5 washroom with a separate entrance. Now this house is up for sale for 1,689,000, and I'm going to give you a tour of the house. So viewing the house through my eyes, it has a balcony up. They have done aggregate concrete which runs around the house. You can see there, and that's the way to the separate entrance. And this is my beautiful rose. Anyways, let's go take a look at the house now. As I mentioned before, this has a 2 double door entry, and they have done the glass inserts. It's an upgrade. Over here you have a coat closet and shoe rack. This is just in the foyer. They have beautiful gorgeous tiles which goes throughout in the foyer. Now let me take you to the main level. So this is the main level. They have a side entrance which goes to the basement, and they say they have a legal basement. So this is the powder room on the main level, which has a window as well. Over here, let me take you to the living. So here it is all hardwood flooring. About this house, this was built in 2018. It is just shy of 3,400, and it has 5 bedrooms upstairs, 3.5 washroom, legal basement, and it has a 2-bedroom basement legal with 1.5 washroom. Now here, as you enter, you will come to a living area, which you can have a living dining, I suppose. So they have beautiful Hunter Douglas. And over here there is a formal dining area. Again, 2 large windows for ample daylight. Over here, and they have extra space. So they have, as the basement is for rental, they have put in a fridge over there. Now we are entering into the kitchen and the family room. So over here, this is the family room. Again, it's all hardwood flooring. It's a 9-foot ceiling. It has, again, beautiful windows, and this is the way to the backyard. Before we go to the backyard, I just want to showcase the kitchen, which is beautiful open kitchen. It has floor to ceiling cabinets. This is the quartz counter. That is an island they have. They have good appliances. It's the oven and a microwave here. You have a gas stove And there are a lot of cabinetry. Can you see it? Beautiful. All around. This matches the flooring as well. So it's just overlooking the family room. And over here they have a nice big backyard. This is the way to go to the basement. And over here they have a shed. Let me take you to the second floor. This is complete oak stairs. Let's get into this bedroom. This is the one with the balcony, which faces the main driveway. They have converted this room into an office. It has a closet here. This is a second bedroom. It has a closet here, and this bedroom has an attached washroom, which is called as Jack and Jill. So the washroom is connected by two bedrooms. Here's the toilet, and it has a double sink. Again, quartz counter and deep sinks. Then it leads you to another bedroom. Again, all wood flooring. You have this closet again. Then I'm taking you to another bedroom. Again, wood floors, beautiful window, and all the windows have Hunter Douglas or window covering blinds. And this is again attached to another washroom with double sink. So basically we have covered two washrooms. Two bedrooms are connected to one washroom. This washroom will be used by that bedroom which I showed you, and this. So there are two ways finished, and now folks, we are entering the master bedroom. This has two doors, double door, and this is your master bedroom. So you can have a king size bed, you can have lot of additional sitting area you can do. This is the walk-in closet. And this is the ensuite washroom. Again, beautiful closet. It has a soaking tub, standing shower, your toilet. Hope you're liking what I'm showing you out. On the second level itself, you have a laundry area. This is a plus for many growing families where they don't have to keep running up and down, and they can just have this laundry on the second level where they can do their laundry runs. They have closet space over here as well. And this is a beautiful spiral staircase. Isn't that beautiful? And this has a small niche where you can put in whatever you want. And there you come to the entry of the house. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you want to take a look at this house, call me, DM me. My phone number is 416-274-5179. This is the view of the street, and this house is just built in 2018, so it's not very old. Thank you for watching.